Imagine yourself standing on top of a mountain with nothing but your backpack. Let that image sink in. You're not just on a trip, you're on a journey. A journey of discovery, a journey of adventure. It's you and the open road, the path less traveled, the trail that winds through forests and across streams. I know, it can seem daunting, the idea of packing up your life into a single bag and heading off into the unknown, but that's the beauty of it, isn't it? The thrill of the unknown, the excitement of what lies ahead. That's the spirit of backpacking. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey in between, the experiences you have, the people you meet, the stories you gather. It's about freedom and adventure, the kind that can't be found in any guidebook or travel blog. The mountain is calling, and you must go. Now, standing at the foot of the mountain, you wonder, what do I need in my backpack? Well, let's start with the basics. Your backpack is your mobile home, so choose wisely. Look for something lightweight yet sturdy, with plenty of compartments for organization. Clothing should be practical and weather appropriate. Pack layers, it's the smart way to dress in the wilderness. Don't forget a raincoat, it's your best friend against unpredictable weather. Food and water are your fuel. Bring enough to sustain you, but remember, every ounce counts. Opt for high-energy snacks and a portable water filter to ensure clean drinking water. Your gear is your toolkit for survival. This includes a first aid kit, a reliable map, a compass, and a multi-tool. And believe me, a flashlight or headlamp can be a lifesaver when the sun goes down. Remember, in the wilderness, your backpack isn't just luggage, it's your lifeline. With your backpack ready, the next question is, where will this journey take you? Choosing the right destination isn't just about picking a spot that looks good on Instagram, it's about finding a place that matches your skill level and interests. Are you a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or an adrenaline junkie? Do you prefer solitude or the hustle and bustle of city life? Your answers will guide your choice. Don't forget the importance of research and planning. Check out travel blogs, read reviews, and talk to other backpackers. Their insights can be invaluable, and remember, popular tourist destinations can offer convenience and infrastructure, but don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Sometimes the lesser-known locations can provide the most unforgettable experiences. So take your time, do your homework, and choose a destination that resonates with you. After all, your destination isn't just a place on a map, it's the start of your own personal epic. The open road calls, but so does your budget. You see, budget-friendly backpacking isn't about scrimping and saving, it's about smart choices. For transportation, the key is flexibility. Be open to off-peak flights and overland travel. It may take a little longer, but the savings can be substantial. Next up, accommodation. Hostels and campsites are your new best friends. Not only are they affordable, they're also great places to meet fellow travelers. And remember, a night under the stars can be just as rewarding as a night in a hotel. Now, food. Local markets are a goldmine of fresh, cheap ingredients. Plus, cooking your own meals is a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Lastly, activities. There's a whole world of free or low-cost experiences waiting for you. Walking tours, hiking trails, and local festivals just scratch the surface. Backpacking isn't about luxury, it's about the richness of experience. The mountain is in sight, your backpack is on your shoulders, and the road is at your feet. It's time to take the leap. Backpacking is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. The journey of discovery, of self-understanding, of connecting with nature. It's about the thrill of the unfamiliar, the joy of the unexpected. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the world as your playground. And guess what? This adventure, this journey, it's for everyone. You don't need to be an experienced hiker or a seasoned traveler, you just need a spirit of adventure, an open mind, and the willingness to take that first step. So, pack your bag, lace up your boots, and let's hit the trail. Remember, it's not the mountains we conquer, but ourselves. The hardest part of any journey is taking the first step. So what are you waiting for? The mountain is calling.